Cześć! My name is Michael and I want to welcome you to my channel World in Polish. Today we will talk about how to be polite when you are in Poland or when you are using Polish language. This is on a basic level for Polish beginner learners, but even if you are not planning to learn Polish, but you're going to Poland or you have Polish friends, I strongly encourage you to watch this video. How to be polite? In Polish we would say jak być uprzejmym, jak być uprzejmym, uprzejmym or uprzejmy, uprzejmość is for the English word polite. So let's start with basic greetings. Dzień dobry. Dzień dobry means good morning. You can tell that pretty much any time during the whole day until late night when you would say the next greeting dobry wieczór. But you can say dzień dobry early morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, and you can say dzień dobry 6 o'clock in the evening. You would say dzień dobry anytime when you enter the room, when there are other people. You would say dzień dobry when you come to the hotel, to the information registration desk. You can say dzień dobry when you enter the shop. You can say dzień dobry when you go to work or if you meet other people at the meeting in Poland, you still can say dzień dobry. Almost any time when you meet people, family, friends, you can say dzień dobry. Occasionally, if you are very close to somebody, super good friend or very close family, and you are on informal level, you can use the last greeting on this list, which is cześć, which means basically hi, hello. But you wouldn't really say that when you come and meet people who you don't know or you barely know, or you are coming in official capacity. The safest way to greet people in Poland is to say dzień dobry. The next one, dobry wieczór, which means good evening. You can say when you're coming somewhere and it's already night, it's dark. It's okay to say dobry wieczór, but still you will be okay saying dzień dobry. When you are leaving the place and there are other people still staying in the same location, you would say goodbye, do widzenia, do widzenia, do widzenia. You can say pretty much any time when you going out from the place where other people will be still staying. Even if you're at the registration desk at the hotel and you finish all the formalities and you're going to your room, you can say do widzenia. If it's in the middle of the night and you leaving party, you leaving work, or you leaving registration work, or you leaving the office where you were meeting some other people, you can say dobranoc if it's already dark. Dobranoc. Dobranoc means good night. But again, the safest way to say in every such situation is still do widzenia. So dzień dobry and do widzenia are the safest ways to greet and then to say bye to other people who are staying in the same location. If you are very close with those people, you can say cześć, both when you meet and then when you're leaving. In both situations, you can say cześć. Now, how to say thank you. In Polish, thank you is dziękuję. Anytime when somebody does something for you, gives something to you, you can say dziękuję. For example, at the passport control in the border, when you're crossing Polish border, the officer gives back passport to you, you can say dziękuję. If you are in the restaurant, in the bar, and you getting your credit card back or money change back, or you getting your coffee or food placed on your table, in any of these situations you can say dziękuję, dziękuję. If you want to be super polite, you can say thank you very much, and that is in Polish bardzo dziękuję. Bardzo means very much in Polish. Bardzo dziękuję. Again, if somebody is super polite to you, very nice, you can say bardzo dziękuję. Now, if you are giving something to another person, it could be you are giving credit card, you are giving money, you are giving some kind of documents, you are a host at the party and you are pouring drinks for others, or you are putting plates with food on the table in front of somebody. You can say proszę. Also, if you want to be super polite, you can say proszę bardzo. In English, it would mean here, you have it, I am give it to you. So we have that one polite word when we can say proszę. Now, the other very important word in Polish is przepraszam. 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 Przepraszam means in English both I am sorry and excuse me. So, if you hit somebody inadvertently when you were walking on the street, when you tripped over and you touched somebody, or you spilled some drink on the table at the party, you should say przepraszam. But also, przepraszam in the meaning of excuse me. For example, if you are in crowded bus or train and you need space to get off the train and you want to say excuse me, you also say przepraszam. Przepraszam, and people should make room for you. Now, when we address somebody and we don't know that person very well, whether it's in the hotel, in restaurant, or on the street, and you want to ask for help, but you don't know Polish language, you want to ask if they speak English, you would ask, czy mówi pan po angielsku, if it's a man, and czy mówi pani po angielsku, when it's a woman. Again, czy mówi pan po angielsku, czy mówi pani po angielsku. That pan i pani is very important. In Polish, that means that we are having respect to that other person. So if you don't know somebody, you don't use second, like in English, you don't say you, but you use pan, pani. Also, if you need a help, again, you want to ask for help, and you would ask, czy może mi pan pomóc? Or, czy może mi pani pomóc? Again, for a man, you say, czy może mi pan pomóc? For a woman, czy może mi pani pomóc? So let's summarize it. The most important words and phrases in Polish are dzień dobry, good morning, do widzenia, goodbye, dziękuję, thank you, proszę, please, here it is for you, and przepraszam, I am sorry, or excuse me. Again, dzień dobry, do widzenia, dziękuję, proszę, przepraszam. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you know what to do. And that's all for today. Cześć, do zobaczenia, bye.